Hey, welcome back to another video. Got this stick. It's I don't know, about 40 inches long. Got this from a neighbor. He sort of challenged me to see what I can do with it. I believe it is cherry from the looks of it. It's got a nice little knob. It's got a bit of a hole. I don't know if you can see through that. Let me see. There you go. Where something went through. We'll have to do a little bit of epoxy work, but I'm thinking this might make a nice little knob head. Might have to add on something because of course you cut it a little shorter than I would have, but challenge accepted. Let's see what we can do out of this. Just trying to work out a little bend that we have. So, big clamp in the middle, clamped it at one end to keep it somewhat straight. And we'll see this over the next week or so down here, nice dry basement. We'll see if that works itself out. If not, we'll put a little heat every now and then. So, just epoxied on a piece of wild cherry that I had left over onto the top of the stick. Made sure that part was straight, and 2-part epoxy. Now let it sit for a few days and harden up. So, looks like we've done the sanding portion. We're going to put some finish on. I think I want to do a wrap, something here, but beautiful curve, fits very nice in the hand. See, we put that bit of wild cherry on where the knot was, and that formed a nice little knob. Very, very comfortable in the hand, not very thick, all tapering down to a little 5/8 base. It's about 3 feet tall, but as you see, very lightweight, fits in the hand nice. So we're going to put some finish on before we move on to the final section, but a little bit of teak oil. That's what we're going to be doing. A little Waco teak oil, bring out these colors. Let's see how that works out. Little piece of cotton here. Beautiful. Got all those colors. Beautiful detail on the stick too, very light, but that's why I think I'm going to do a little dark wrap right here, right in the center of gravity where you normally hold your hand if you're not walking with it. It's already drawing out in spots, so we're going to have to keep reapplying. Let's keep doing that, see how it darkens up. So just finish it off on top with a little contact cement. Seeing this is leather, it bonds very well. Didn't take too long, about 5 minutes to dry just on that last strip. Put a little bit of contact cement, wait for it to dry, press it together. And you got a beautiful little handle, all out of leather. Nice black leather wrap. Solid in the hand, and when you're carrying it around, good handle.